Right, so here we have a problem that says reflect the figure over the x-axis. We have a picture of a triangle and I've gone ahead and written down the original coordinates. So let's start just by highlighting the x-axis. So the x-axis is the horizontal axis right here. So what you can kind of imagine in your head is that it's like I'm folding a piece of paper and it's going to stamp the triangle on the other side. So if you remember anything about reflections, it's going to end up being upside down. And we're going to go through and we're going to just move each point one by one so we get them in exactly the right spot. And I'm going to start with point Y. To reflect it over the x-axis, I have to count how many blocks it is from the x-axis. So it is just one little block across the x-axis. Now normally I would not suggest writing those down like those little lines, but I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. So y prime is going to be one block on the other side of the x-axis. Let's do the same for the others. Z is one block away, so z prime is going to be one block away. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to do X. It's very important to make sure that you count all of the points and not just one or two of them and then try to guess the rest. So X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces away from the x-axis. So X prime is going to be 8 spaces away from the x-axis. And at that point you can connect it and kind of make sure that your picture makes sense. So a reflection should be backwards or upside down, depending on which way you're reflecting it. This one looks good. If I want to write down the new coordinates, x prime is now at -7, -8. Y prime is now at -2, -1. And z prime is now at -7, -1.